All right, let's look at how to find the correlation coefficient R for a data set. So the correlation coefficient is going to describe that relationship between two quantitative variables, and it'll help us find our direction and our strength. So to get that, we're going to use the command equals, and I'm going to start typing the word correlation, so C-O-R, and really quickly, we're down to just one choice on the menu, which is C-O-R-R-E-L. So coral, which is short for correlation coefficient. So that's what we're going to use. And you'll notice that the command says array1, comma, array2. So that word array means we need to highlight our data, and there are two things we need to highlight. So we're going to highlight the quantitative data in the first column, put a comma, and highlight the quantitative data in the second column. Okay, so we'll highlight each column separately and hit enter. So our correlation coefficient here is negative 0.49, which is a moderate relationship. And that makes some sense. We have our line here, but the points are kind of scattered fairly far from the line. So that seems to make some sense. Now I want to make sure that you see that it doesn't matter which column you highlight first. So if I highlighted the delay column and then the outsourcing column, I will get the same exact R value. So I'll highlight this delay, the second column first, put a comma, and then go back and highlight the outsource column. And you'll notice I get the exact same answer. So it doesn't matter which column you highlight first. You just need to make sure you highlight each column one time.